Hi guys, it's Nikki, creator of Nikki's Homemade Crafts. Today I would like to teach you a very special crochet tip, and that is how to remove the slip stitch seam. You can see it right here. It is very obvious. You know exactly where the round ended and where it started. It is a super annoying seam that most people don't like, and I don't blame them at all because I don't like it either. Now over here I have a slip stitch, but you can't tell. Can you see? This is a single crochet, this is a single crochet. You don't see it. And by the way, this technique right here also works for other stitches, such as half double crochet, double crochet, triple crochet, and no matter what stitch you're using, it's gonna work. And you are removing that slip stitch look that you get when you do it this way. So here you see the slip stitch seam, and here you don't. So let me teach you exactly how to do that. But before I do, let me show you and remind you how most people do the slip stitch. So most people do it by going into the first stitch of the round and then pulling the yarn through and then pulling it through again. Now that loop right here that you see is the one that makes most people annoyed, and that's the one that you can see on the seam. We don't like that one, because now if you do a single crochet, it's still gonna be there. See, it's still there and it's super annoying. So let's go back and let me show you how to do it without that annoying seam. And believe it or not, it's super simple. All you do is go from the back. I'm going from the back into that first stitch. I'm taking the yarn and putting it to the back, and now I'm doing the slip stitch in the back. When I say back, you can see right here that that loop that is so annoying to see in the front is now pushed to the back because I pulled my yarn to the back. Now if I do a single crochet right on top, you can see that it's still being pushed in the back. You won't see it. It is really kind of hidden behind and you won't see it. So let me show you the back side. The back side now has the slip stitch right here. Now you might not exactly see it, but you will feel it. It is in the back of your stitch, your project. You won't see your slip stitch. So this hidden single crochet, half double crochet, slip stitch really won't show. You won't see the difference. And as you can see right here, it literally goes right over. Now let me give you one more tip in order to really make it pretty, and that's why you see absolutely nothing right here but single crochet. I removed the chain of one for single crochet and half double crochet at all times because it's just extra weight and produces bulkiness and zigzag, especially for edges. So even in rounds, I don't have the chain of one in the beginning, and which is why I started with a single crochet right away, because you really don't need it. And then for double crochet and taller, I have a special stitch which I call the alternative turning chain, and I have a special formula for you guys that you can use in order to have no weird bulkiness in the beginning of rounds or edges. So go ahead and check that out. It's both on YouTube as well as my website. You will find it. It is very detailed and you will love it, I promise you. So again, this is the hidden slip stitch. Let me show you one more time how to do that. It is very simple. You simply go from the back, you pull your yarn to the back, and now you're doing your slip stitch in the back. Then you start your normal single crochet and everything is gone. No slip stitch at all, and it looks pretty and it looks seamless. I hope this video was helpful. Please like, comment, and share it so other people can use it as well. And subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on social media. You can find me under Nikki's Homemade Crafts, and you will be happy. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye.